Today I share with you how to make carrot jollof fry. This is going to be the best jollof fries you ever seen or eat. To begin, guys, I'm going to be blending this pepper mix. Over here I have carrot, onions, red bell pepper. So I'm going to get everything blend together until I have something like this. Then keep that aside. On this cooking pot, I'm going to be adding this already washed chicken. Then get that seasoned with this pepper mix. That is ginger and onions, hot pepper blend together. Then adding this all-purpose seasoning. Then adding salt to taste. So that is just seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Stir everything together until everything gets combined like this. So after stirring that, what I'm going to do now is to add in this water. So this is the same water I used to blend the pepper. I just whisk it and then pour everything over there and stir together. All I do now is to get the meat to cook. I'm going to cook the chicken until it cooks and nice to use. So I'm going to cover that to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes of cooking the chicken, this is what I have. At this point, it cooks so nice. All I do now is to separate that from the stock. I bring everything out, then transfer all of it inside this plate, then keep it aside. It cooks so nice. Over here is the stock water. I'm going to keep it aside. So what I do now is to transfer the chicken inside the oven to do the final job. So on the same pan, I'm going to be adding cooking oil. Adding this ginger garlic paste. So guys, I first of all get the stock water out from the pan, guys. So I'm going to add that later. So this is oil and ginger garlic paste. I'm going to stir that together. So after doing that, I'm going to be adding the pepper mix. That is the carrot, hot pepper, red bell pepper, and onions ground together. So all I do now is to get that fried, guys. So before that, I'm going to add in the same seasoning that I used to season the chicken. So add in the all-purpose seasoning, then season that with salt to taste. Use any seasoning of your choice. So get that stirred together, and then I'm going to allow this pepper to cook for 30 to 40 minutes before I will proceed. So guys, share this video. This is going to be the best jollof fries you ever eat, guys. This is just so delicious. It's actually my first time trying this recipe and I love every bit of it. So 40 minutes of cooking that stew, it cooks so nice. Now I'm going to be adding this already washed rice. After adding the rice, guys, then adding the stock meat. So this is the chicken stock. I pour everything inside there and stir together. At this point, you don't need any other water. All you have to do is to stir everything together because this is going to be so delicious. I'm going to cover that with this foil paper to cook for 20 minutes with medium heat. You can see that you did not add any water, just the stock water and the stew. Your rice is going to be the highest delicious. Look at that, guys. After 20 minutes of cooking the rice, it cooks so amazing. At this point, everything done and it's ready to enjoy. My people, this smells so amazing. Like the aroma at this point is everywhere. This is just so delicious and simple to get done. I just love this rice, guys. My first time trying carrot jollof fry. This is really delicious, guys. If you haven't get this done before, here is the right time to try this recipe. It's going to be your favorite. So when you go to occasion, you see someone serve you rice like this, you'll be wondering how did they serve it. Just a simple, guys. This is just how they serve this kind of rice. Like this is how they serve this kind of style. Okay, guys, in case you see this style was like how did they do this one, it's just simple. Just take one of your plates, add in the food inside and turn it over like this. We are going to love it. So that is just everything is ready. I'm just adding the chicken that I get done with the oven. And at this point, I'm testing, guys. I almost finished this rice. I almost finished everything on this pot, all in the name of I'm testing it because it was really delicious. I can't even get enough of it. It was really mouth watering. So guys, try this recipe for yourself. It's just so simple to get done and easy recipe to get this done. In my next one, don't forget to share. Bye.